Hey guys, my name is Lee Marie and I teach you how to. Today's video is very important to me. In case you haven't heard, I was recently announced as one of the winners this year of the Tory Burch Fellow and Fearless Fund Grant for Women of Color. And I'm so excited to have been recognized as one of the winners. It means basically a year of training, and it is a monetary gift as well. So it is a $20,000 grant that I was blessed with for my business. And I'm super excited about it. I want to tell you guys all about it. As one of the winners of the grant, I was invited to Fearless Fund Venture Capital Summit in Atlanta, Georgia. So I posted some pictures in the community tab if you want to take a look at those. That is 2 incredible days where you meet and network with other entrepreneurs. They have breakout sessions with, celebrities and with venture capitalists and basically individuals that are doing really, really well in the business world. People that you want to pay attention to. Some of the breakouts were how to overcome adversity. Another one was how to pivot your business. So lots of great information was given. And the second day was really, really fun. That was a pitch contest. And if you're not sure what a pitch is, it's basically like a 2 to 3 minute presentation with a slideshow that you present in front of an audience because it was a pitch contest. Normally a pitch would not be in front of an audience, but because it was a contest, it was in front of an audience. And then it's in front of a panel of about 5 or 6 venture capitalists or investors, if you will. And since it was a contest, they were giving away first, second, and third place. And these 8 incredible women went up there and had these amazing presentations. And then they chose the winners, 1, 2, and 3, who got, monetary investments anywhere from $200,000 to $100,000. So we're not talking a little bit of money, we're talking a lot. The pitch contests were very, very insightful. I felt inspired the entire 2 days that I was there. It was a really fantastic opportunity for me, and I met a lot of amazing female entrepreneurs. So in this video, what I wanted to do is just update you on a couple of things. Just got back from Atlanta, so I'm still working on some videos, some how-to videos coming up with regards to candles and soaps and things like that. And then also after this weekend, I've been inspired to make a few extra videos. One video is going to be on how to put together your pitch deck. So the pitch deck is your presentation, and it's also the slides that go along with your presentation. And that's when you do it in front of investors. So if you have a product-based business that you are going to be seeking pre-seed or, whatever series of funding you're looking for, you're going to be doing a pitch. And so I want to make a video all about having a successful pitch deck. The second video that I want to do is all about grants and funding. And if you're a female entrepreneur, then I'm going to tell you what grants are available out there, how to apply for them, how the whole process works. So that's another video I think is really important. But in the meantime, I would love to just leave you with some highlights of my weekend in Atlanta. And so I'll leave you with some of the entrepreneurs that were there and then some highlights from the pitch contest as well. I hope you've enjoyed this video, and I will see you guys in the next video. So enjoy all this content from this past weekend. Bye.
Beautiful, beautiful people. Let me just say how honored and how humbled we are. The overwhelming outpouring of love and support, it makes us want to go that much harder for each and every single one of you.
Keep going! And, closing businesses, I've done everything in between, made all the mistakes, that's for sure. But I think I really came at it from a founder's perspective, first and foremost. I know how difficult it was to raise finance for my own businesses, and so it kind of stands to reason that I would take the opportunity after making some money to invest in other people. And it was really just that naive, I would come across friends or colleagues or people that were looking for funding and didn't know where to go. And so at some point you say, well, you know what, I feel like I'm going to back you. And so that was the first place. And then of course I've had a lot of opportunities since moving to the US. And so I think the more, the more notoriety that my own businesses have got, then the deal flow has really started to happen. And of course, you know, I got called on for Shark Tank, and that gave way to more opportunities.
That's a hand clap.
Distinguishes a beauty disruptor from a traditional player in that space. And I'm going to start with you.
Okay. So I would say that for me, as someone who has been in the beauty industry, actually the nail industry for quite a long time, I think the term disruptor to me has now started to mean just kind of being myself and really embracing who I am.
It's been 2 years now, 3 iterations, but in the past 2 years, we have deployed $3.2 million in grants to 240 women of color founders across the country. And so
Wait a minute, I don't think they heard the number.
$3.2 million.
And how many people?
240 and growing.
And growing. 240 women have had their businesses catered to, cultivated, and formed a community. Tell us what the Tory Burch Foundation has going on as far as with your fellows program as well, and some of the other programs that you guys have.
Yeah, so again, the feeling is very mutual. We feel such privilege to be in this room with all of you, in partnership with you. And in terms of our other resources, we have a slew of things online, all free, whether they're webinars, business plan builders, really trying to meet you at all of those early stages of your business growth. Our flagship program, our Fellows program, is a year-long engagement with us. We really dive deep into the business fundamentals and really target business growth throughout that year and beyond. And we see a lot of overlap with Fearless Fund, whether it's with portfolio companies or even with our Women of Color grant program. But it really is about community at the end of the day.
What was the response?
I got a lot of, can I take a photo with you? My wife really likes you. I grew up watching you on. So it was a lot of that, and I had to shift their mental into like, okay, now my business. Okay, now look at these numbers. Now look at these statistics. Now look at this data. So I quickly had to become well-versed in business terminology and acronyms. I had to learn so many damn acronyms. Even before I would go in to pitch VCs, I would like sit there and look up all of them again just to refresh them in my mind. So I, wasn't sitting there like, not knowing what I was talking about or something they were saying was going over my head. So you almost have to be the most knowledgeable person in the room about your business. You got to know it inside and out, and you got to know. I believe and arm yourself, and I learned this through trial and error, how to answer all of the hard questions and know that they're gonna give you all the resistance, and it's your job to unlock why it needs to happen and make them feel like they're missing a huge opportunity if they don't invest in you.
Isn't sexy enough? We're also providing products that are organic and innovative, period. We have pads and tampons with features like Braille for people who are visually impaired, and we're elevating the customer experience with biodegradability and sustainability at top of mind. And that's how we've gotten to $1.8 billion in gross sales.
Yes.
Fennel is currently operating at a profit margin of 75%. And by sector, our partners purchased $20K to $6 million worth of product from us. And so how we make money is by selling this dispenser on a per unit basis to enterprise customers, along with cases of pads and tampons that we manufacture.
We're being more mindful about it. We might even take breaks from alcohol, but we're not giving it up entirely. We just want higher quality, better for you options. But when I went to go look for a good quality single serve wine, I really couldn't find much. Most of what's out there is cheaply made, flavored, or way too sweet. So I decided to change that. Meet Sipwell. We make premium quality, delicious wine in a convenient single-serve can.
Invested the product the profits into a wig solution because I was still obsessed with the space. This manifested into a product called the Wig Fix. The Wig Fix is the world's first wig-related patented product in over 60 years. We've sold since October 2019. We sold over 70,000 units, built an incredible community of 100,000 people on Instagram and TikTok, and we have a newsletter with 72,000 people.
Just a quick question though for you. What does this $200,000 mean for you?
It's incredible. It's going to allow us to hire and build our manufacturing space out.